Today, we are going to study parts of the body. Are you ready? Let's go! Everybody say body, body. Okay, first we have the ear, ear. Everybody say ear. This is the ear. Can you show me your ear? Can you touch your ear? Very good. We use our ear to hear sounds. Next, we have nose. Nose. This is your nose. Can you touch your nose? Touch your nose. Very good. We use our nose to smell some foods or flowers. Nose. Next, we have mouth. Mouth. This is the mouth. Can you touch your mouth? Very good. We use our mouth to eat foods. To eat foods. Next, we have feet. Feet. This is our feet. We use our feet to walk. We use our feet to walk. Next, we have arm. Arm. This is our arm. We use our arm to grab or hold some things. We use our arm to grab and hold some things. Same with hands. Hands. Toes. Toes. Face. Face. And knee. Knee. Can we say all the parts of the body one more time? Everybody, one more time. Parts of the body. Ear. Nose. Mouth. Feet. Arm. Hand. Toes. Face. Knee. Very good. Good job, kids. Now, name the parts of the body. Are you ready? Okay, I will show some pictures and please name each one. What is this? Toes. Very good. These are toes. How about this one? What is this? Ear. Very good. This is ear. Toes. Ear. Very good. Toes. Ear. Next. What is this? What is this? Mouth. Very good. Mouth. How about this one? Face. Very good. Face. Mouth. Face. Good job, kids. Last. What is this? Arm. Good job. How about this one? Hands. Very good. Arm. Hand. Very good, kids. So, those are the different parts of the body. See you next time. Goodbye.